All right, next talking points. This one we might have to do a little thinking about. I want chat to chime in. What is your, let's say you have a brand new gaming PC. What are the first programs you're going to install on it? Pornhub. What are some of the first programs that you are going to install on it and or things that you use on your gaming PC all the time?
You know, like realistically,
He's
I mean,
pretty simple.
yeah. So you've seen my shit.
Yeah,
dude.
pretty simple.
I do not like anything.
Well, what do you all got, chat? What are some like programs that you all have to have installed on your gaming PC? Afterburner, that's not bad. Afterburner's a good one. So if you're looking to do some slight GPU overclocking, MSI Afterburner's a good one. If you're really into like specs and stuff, I mean the overlay with MSI Afterburner Riva Tuner is good. Chrome, I mean Chrome's an obvious one. That's true too. Steam, Discord, Afterburner. My first programs are Chrome, League of Legends. I don't even know if that's a program, but I'll count it. Discord, Rocket League, Opera, MSI Afterburner, Hardware Monitor, CSGO, and DaVinci Resolve. Okay. That's not too bad.
Yeah, say for programs now and think about it, I think like
GeForce Experience is one. That's a must.
drivers, Slack at this point. I guess Discord for sure. Sony Vegas.
What is chocolatey?
Chocolatey?
What is chocolatey? OBS, Minecraft, Rocket League. Those are all. OBS is one obviously. Let's see. But yeah, GeForce Experience is definitely a must. If you don't have it on your PC, I mean, you're probably a really little driver.
Well, unless you have an AMD, then don't
that's
download.
True.
don't do
that. Yeah, that's very true. Yeah, don't do that. Logitech G Hub. Yeah, peripheral stuff. That's what sucks is there's a lot of programs out there sometimes that you have to have for certain things. Like, I know whenever we get new peripherals in-house, I try to avoid having to download software as much as possible. I just don't want to have it.
That is one thing that we agree on is we're both very simple when it comes to, like, we do not like having
I don't like all the extra programmable stuff. I know people in Discord the other day were talking about...
bragging all their programs.
All their programs. Well, they were talking about like all the RGB software they have to use. I'm just like, that's so painful.
Yeah, like I would rather just get stuff that is just one mode or like controllable by hardware and spend like more or less either way than get something that has to be software controlled. Like the other day when we were doing all those Razer products, like we couldn't change RGB on anything.
Because you needed the Razer
Chroma software.
Yeah, that
I was like why?
Drivers, Discord, Chrome, CSGO, DaVinci Resolve, Minecraft, OBS, Stream Elements, AMD software thingy, IQ, Razer Synapse. Yeah, see, that's where it gets ugly. It's like IQ, Razer Synapse, NZXT Cam, like you got all that. It's just,
What about Kick? You guys download Kick on yours?
Do you download Kick? Did y'all download Kick?
You guys get Kick?
Kick. But yeah, no, there's a lot of different programs out there. I just thought it'd be kind of interesting to hear what you all have and what you all put on your PC. But there's not really anything crazy that I use on mine that's different from anyone else besides what we use for like videos and stuff. I know not many people out here installing Premiere or installing OBS or like Handbrake for like converting files, like stuff like that. None of y'all really care about that sort of stuff. But
and you know what the worst is? When sometimes we'll get a computer back at PC Roast for like a return or something, and just seeing some of the like, because sometimes they don't have like a password and just boot straight into Windows. And I've seen before where like they'll be like, oh, the computer stopped, like it didn't work well, and I've never seen so many like bloatware and viruses like in my life.
So people just install everything.
Yes, like it's like literally every time something pops up, like this is like download, you're like yeah, keep downloading them, don't stop.
Mine is lttstore.com. That's worth it. Sup nerds? What's up, foe? How you doing?